kapuso, ani ay 14 anyos nga batang Kart-Racer nga naghatag og dungog og garbo kanatong mga bisdak. Ug live nato siya makauban dinhi sa atong studio. Busa, let's all welcome William John Riley-Go. Mayong buntag, William, and welcome here sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag o Happy New Year mga kapuso.
Happy New Year, William. This year, New Year and new goals for you. You're leaving for Europe once again. Can you tell us more about this competition you're about to join?
The competition I'm about to join next year is the FIA and the WSK events. And they are the events that go through the stages into Formula One. And that is what I need to focus on so that I can hopefully make it to Formula One in the future.
Wow. So that's the long-term goal that you're about to pursue, William? Really, the Formula One?
Yes, I want Formula One to be my career because it's what I've dreamed for, like my life since I was, 2-3 years old.
Last year, you won 2 major races. No? This is for the FIA and WSK. And you were the very first Filipino to do so. How are you preparing yourself once again to race this year?
Actually, this year, we also won another race in the end of the year, which was the Rock Cup Super Final. And then, yes, for this coming year, I think the preparation has already started. We've already planned out what we're going to do for next year. And over the winter break, I've done some fitness work. I've done quite a bit of training.
Can you take us during your training? What's a training day look like? What do you do from morning till evening?
Training day, if it's in the racetrack, because there's 2 different types of training days for a racing driver, which is in the racetrack, you can stay in the racetrack from 9 to 7 p.m. And usually we have dinner around 8, and then we sleep at 9:30. But during the day, we also have a lot of exercises that we need to do, like reaction timing. We need to warm our bodies up.
And you started training for kart racing at a very young age, right, William? How young were you?
Yes, I was 5 turning 6. It was actually a birthday present for me to join the clinic here in Kart Zone, Cebu. And it was one of my dreams to honestly get into a car and drive it because I would see everyone at the age of 2 years old. Like, I was 2 years old watching the people race, and I'm like, I want to do that, I want to do that. So, yeah.
And aside from that event, who were your early influences to join kart racing?
I mean, I just liked racing a lot because my dad would bring me to the local track because he had a close friend.
And from your very busy schedule between work and, with your career and school, for you, William, what are the things that you've learned about yourself?
What I've realized is that even in the racetrack, I need to control my emotions. If I am in a terrible spot, I need to make sure I keep calm and just continue with it, try to get the most out of it.
We see your posts on social media, and you've been on a winning streak last year for 2022. Who do you credit for all of the success that you've been claiming?
Always I will credit the Lord because the Lord is the reason why I'm here in the first place. But everyone has helped me out this year, from my parents, my team, my companions who go around with me.
And talking about your love for racing, how about your family's reaction during the race?
So my family is very supportive. They would call me all the time, every time I go out on track. When I come back, they'd be like, how was it? Was it good? Was it bad? And, during the race, they would see my races. They have live stream on, the live broadcast on.
And you mentioned earlier in this interview that the end goal really is Formula One. That's the goal. How are you trying to achieve that goal, William? What mindset?
At the moment, we are still in karting. There are still 3 more goals, 3 more steps before Formula One.
And who would you like to thank for all of these successes that you've been getting, William? Would you like to thank and invite all our kapuso to support you on this journey?
I would like to thank everyone for the support they've given me this year. I could see that my social media is slowly growing, and hopefully that way we can get some sponsors to hopefully sponsor us for the future, because racing is also not a sport where people are lucky enough to actually go up there because of their skill. And yeah, let's see. But thank you very much for all the support this year.
And William, how do you feel now that you've made such a positive impact, no, of putting the Philippines in the international kart racing scene? Do you feel that other Filipino kart racers could try and compete also like you?
I mean, I have won some races this year, and I am happy for that. But there are also other Filipino drivers who are racing in Europe, and they are trying their best as well to get up into the top spot. Everyone who goes racing wants to always win.
Yes.
So I feel like all of us in the karting community in the Philippines is trying to put the Philippines back in place.
And a lot of young people are watching us right now. What piece of advice can you give them to those who aspire also to become like you?
Honestly, I would just never give up, because giving up is the reason why we will never finish anything. So never give up, just continue what you're doing and do what you love. That's it I have to tell you.
So William, 2023 is looking bright and cheery for you. So please thank and invite all our kapuso to support you on this new endeavor.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone. Have a happy new year, and I hope that you guys can give me some support in my social media. WilliamGo.23 in Instagram, and William Go in Facebook, my page.
And good luck also as well to you, William. We are rooting for you. And Happy New Year once again.
Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Daghang salamat, William.